Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our exploration of the cutting-edge military technology of tomorrow. The AN/TWQ-1 Avenger is a highly capable short-range air defense system used by the United States military and several other countries. The Avenger system consists of a turret mounted on a Humvee, high-mobility multi-purpose wheeled vehicle, or similar platform. The turret is equipped with 8 ready-to-fire FIM-92 Stinger surface-to-air missiles, which are capable of engaging targets at ranges of up to 8 kilometers. These missiles are guided by infrared homing seekers, enabling them to track and intercept airborne threats with high precision. The Cougar is a mine-resistant ambush-protected (MRAP) vehicle designed to provide enhanced protection for military personnel operating in hazardous environments. Developed by the American company Force Protection Incorporation, the Cougar has been extensively used by the United States military and other armed forces around the world. Its V-shaped hull design helps to deflect the force of an explosion away from the crew compartment, reducing the risk of injury and increasing survivability. The vehicle's armored construction provides increased protection against ballistic threats, shrapnel, and small arms fire. The Type 10 features a number of advanced technologies, including a fully automated turret and an integrated battle management system. The tank is also equipped with a modular composite armor system that provides superior protection against modern anti-tank weapons. The Type 10 is powered by a Mitsubishi Heavy Industries 1,200 horsepower diesel engine, which gives it a top speed of around 70 kilometers per hour. Its advanced capabilities and superior performance make it a valuable asset for the JGSDF in a wide range of combat scenarios. The SB-1 Defiant features a unique coaxial rotor system, which consists of 2 main rotors that are mounted one above the other and rotate in opposite directions. This configuration provides improved maneuverability, agility, and hover efficiency compared to traditional helicopters. The coaxial rotor system eliminates the need for a tail rotor, reducing the complexity and maintenance requirements associated with conventional rotorcraft. The aircraft features a state-of-the-art cockpit with integrated mission systems, advanced avionics, and multifunctional displays, allowing for seamless mission management and effective decision-making. The Multi-Utility Tactical Transport (MUT) is a versatile unmanned ground vehicle (UGV) designed to provide support and enhance the capabilities of military forces in various operational scenarios. Developed to be adaptable and rugged, the MUT offers a range of functionalities and can be deployed in a wide range of missions. One of the key features of the MUT is its modular payload system, which allows for quick interchangeability of various mission-specific modules. These modules can include surveillance and reconnaissance systems, cargo carrying capabilities, communication equipment, weapon stations, or even medical equipment. The F-35 made its first flight in 2006 and has since entered service with several countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, Italy, Israel, and Japan. It is equipped with advanced avionics and weapon systems, including a sophisticated sensor suite and a range of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. One of the unique features of the F-35 is its stealth technology, which makes it difficult to detect by radar systems. Its combination of advanced technology, stealth, and maneuverability makes it a formidable opponent in any conflict. Artillery self-propelled mount. The Artillery Self-Propelled Mount AHS Crab is a modern self-propelled howitzer system developed and produced by the Polish defense company Huta Stalowa Wola. One of the key features of the AHS Crab is its advanced fire control system. which includes a digital battlefield management system, a laser rangefinder, and a thermal imaging camera. This allows the AHS Crab to operate effectively in a wide range of weather and lighting conditions, and to quickly and accurately engage targets at long ranges. Caesar, camion équipé d'un système d'artillerie, is a French-made 155mm self-propelled howitzer developed by Nexter Systems. The system is based on a wheeled truck chassis and is designed to provide highly mobile and responsive fire support to ground troops. The howitzer is equipped with an advanced fire control system that includes a laser rangefinder, a digital battlefield management system, and a navigation system. The system has earned a reputation as one of the most effective and reliable self-propelled howitzers in the world, and is highly regarded for its accuracy, mobility, and versatility. The Panzerhaubitze 2000 is a modern self-propelled howitzer, designed and manufactured by the German company Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann. It is one of the most advanced artillery systems in the world, currently in service with several countries, including Germany, Italy, Greece, and the Netherlands. It has seen action in several conflicts, including in Afghanistan, where it has been used by German and Dutch forces to support ground troops. It has proven to be a highly effective and reliable artillery system, capable of delivering accurate and devastating firepower to enemy positions. The Otokar Cobra is a highly versatile and widely used armored vehicle developed by Otokar, a leading Turkish defense company. The Cobra armored vehicle features a 4x4 configuration, providing it with enhanced maneuverability and off-road capability. Its design incorporates a monocoque steel hull, which offers protection against ballistic threats, mines, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs, ensuring the safety of the occupants in combat and high-threat environments. The Lynx Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, is a cutting-edge armored vehicle that combines advanced firepower, exceptional mobility, and enhanced protection. It was developed by Rheinmetall in collaboration with various international partners. Its deployment enhances the operational capabilities of armed forces, providing infantry units with a versatile and highly capable platform for a range of missions, including reconnaissance, fire support, and troop transport. One of the key features of the Lynx IFV is its advanced protection systems. The vehicle incorporates advanced composite and modular armor, providing high levels of protection against ballistic threats, mines, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. Motorized Floating Bridge is a versatile and innovative military engineering asset used for the rapid bridging of water obstacles. It is a modular pontoon bridge system that enables military forces to establish temporary crossings over rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water to facilitate the movement of troops, vehicles, and equipment. The bridge components can be quickly and easily transported to the desired location, and the pontoons can be interconnected and launched onto the water surface. The pontoons are typically propelled by built-in engines, which provide the necessary power for maneuvering and aligning the bridge sections during assembly. Milrem Robotics Type X robotic combat vehicle represents a significant advancement in military technology, combining the capabilities of unmanned systems with combat effectiveness. Developed by the Estonian defense company, Milrem Robotics, the Type X is designed to support and enhance the capabilities of armored units on the battlefield. The vehicle's advanced software algorithms and artificial intelligence capabilities enhance its ability to autonomously detect and classify threats, contributing to faster decision-making and response times. The integration of the Joint Precision Effects Module, JPEM, and Stiletto vessel enhances the capabilities and effectiveness of VBSS missions, providing military and security forces with a formidable toolset for maritime interdiction operations. The JPEM system combines a range of technologies and capabilities to enable precise and controlled actions during VBSS operations. It includes advanced sensors, communication systems, non-lethal and lethal weapons, as well as equipment for boarding, searching, and detaining suspects. The integration of these components provides the boarding team with enhanced situational awareness, flexibility, and effectiveness when conducting maritime interdiction missions. The XQ-58A Valkyrie is a multi-role drone that comes in two versions, Block 1 and Block 2. Thanks to the open architecture, sensors and other systems can be quickly integrated into the drone. One of the advantages of a UAV is that it does not require a runway for takeoff. It is launched using a special launcher, and Valkyrie lands on the ground with the help of a parachute. The Valkyrie is currently in service only with the U.S. Air Force. The UAV will likely be used to penetrate enemy air defenses and operate with a high degree of autonomy, potentially as part of a drone swarm. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is a high-altitude, long-endurance UAV designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. The drone is equipped with a variety of advanced sensors and communication systems, including electro-optical and infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and signals intelligence equipment. These sensors provide the drone with real-time surveillance capabilities, allowing it to detect and track targets on the ground from a safe distance. One of the key features of the Global Hawk is its ability to conduct autonomous takeoff and landing operations. The Milrem Themis UGV, Unmanned Ground Vehicle, is an advanced robotic platform developed by Milrem Robotics, an Estonian defense technology company. The Themis UGV features a modular and adaptable design that allows for various mission-specific configurations and payloads. Its rugged and durable construction ensures reliable performance in challenging terrains and harsh environments. The vehicle's tracked chassis provides excellent mobility and stability, allowing it to traverse difficult terrain and navigate obstacles with ease. The Marder Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, is a German armored vehicle that has been in service since the early 1970s. The vehicle is named after the German word for Marten, a small predatory animal, and it has been a key component of the German military's armored vehicle fleet for several decades. The vehicle's armor can withstand small arms fire, artillery shrapnel, and mine blasts. The Marder IFV has seen combat in several conflicts, including the Gulf War and the war in Afghanistan. French startup Iguana has developed the Iguana Pro, an amphibious boat with two 900-horsepower engines. This vessel can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour on water and traverse various terrains on land, including roads, sand, and rocky surfaces, while conquering inclines of up to 40 degrees. To navigate on land, the Iguana Pro utilizes Kevlar tracks that connect to the hull through robust hydraulic props. These props fold in less than a minute when entering the water. The K-9 Thunder is a South Korean-made, self-propelled howitzer that is widely considered one of the most advanced artillery systems in the world. Developed by Samsung Techwin, now Hanwha Defense, the K-9 Thunder is designed to provide highly accurate and effective indirect fire support to ground troops. One of the key features of the K-9 Thunder is its exceptional mobility. The system is based on a tracked chassis and can operate on a range of terrain, including rough terrain and steep hills. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a single-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft developed by General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin in the United States. It is one of the most widely used and versatile fighter aircraft in the world, with over 4,600 aircraft built and operated by over 25 countries. The aircraft is also equipped with a range of air-to-ground weapons, including laser-guided bombs and missiles, which allow it to carry out precision strikes against ground targets. It has been used in air policing missions, including NATO's Baltic Air Policing Mission. The Doxta CB-90 HSM, also known as the Combat Boat 90 HSM, is a high-speed, multi-purpose naval craft developed by Doxta Varvet AB, a Swedish shipbuilding company. It is specifically designed for military operations in coastal and archipelago environments, offering exceptional speed, maneuverability, and versatility. It is constructed using lightweight yet robust materials, such as aluminum alloy, to optimize its performance. This design ensures both durability and high-speed capabilities while minimizing the vessel's weight. The boat's low profile and sleek hull shape enhance its stealth characteristics, making it well-suited for both offensive and defensive operations. Designed and developed by Northrop Grumman, the B-2 Spirit first took to the skies in 1989. It's often hailed as a marvel of modern aviation, standing as an epitome of cutting-edge technology and strategic prowess. Its primary mission is to penetrate deep into enemy territory undetected, delivering a devastating payload with remarkable accuracy. With aerial refueling capabilities, this bomber can cover vast distances without the need for frequent stops. Such endurance ensures that it can reach targets around the globe, making it a formidable force in projecting power and maintaining a strong deterrence posture. That's all for today's video on military tech. We hope you learned something new and thought-provoking. If you haven't already, please subscribe and share your insights in the comments below.